Good afternoon, guys. Excuse me. Excuse me. We got just doing some editing, as you can see. But yeah. Hi, baby. Hi. We got some nasty weather. Nasty weather. Well, it's all pretty much all of it. Ooh, look at the truck. Yeah. Awesome. So we're just waiting for the wind to calm down just a wee bit. We got lots of snow. Well, not a lot of snow, but quite a bit of snow. Everybody's saying, oh, we got lots of snow. So yeah, we're just waiting out the storm. It's just about done, so we're gonna go down below and get some more wood because we only got so much wood here, and we won't have enough for tonight. Hey, BB. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this video and get stuff rolling. I haven't had a problem with the heater. That's the video that I'm editing right now. So it's almost finished. I'm just doing some touch-ups. And yeah, I'm gonna get all this done. Bailey's following me. Let's see how much. 21 in here. That's not bad. Almost room to... What are you chewing on? Animal. She'll always be chewing on something. So yeah, update on that. She's going good. Haven't had problems with it yet, so knock on wood. I can knock on wood all over this place. Hello. Oh, big yawn. Hi, Ruby. You're a pretty girl. Yeah. Wait. Oh. And 11. Oh, no. I'm sorry, Ruby. Sorry. Come on, B. So, yeah. We're going to get... oh, yeah. We did... B, come. We got the mud flaps on Mater yesterday before the storm hit. They were